What is up, everybody? Playing around with a little Globex here, looking like we might actually get something. Who knows? We'll see here in a moment. Open up the control center here so I can go ahead and send out a ping to our Hunters Club members, get them on Zoom so they get to know the light. Hunters Club live. Boom, there's that. Opening up the Zoom here. Starting. Zoom's running. Click on share. Share two screens. And now workplace. There it is. We have our own built-in stuff in the control center. You can get access to these streams with no delay. Waiting on something specific here before I go ahead and trigger this entry. Let's see. Looking to go long. Honestly. Pop out this chat here for the that stream there. Where'd it go? Where'd you go, chat? Okay. And then we will. I've been really bad about the chat, not like paying attention to it. I don't know if that's because I just don't care or because I don't know what it is. Anyways, it's just trade palette on the right here. You can set up all kinds of presets. You can put in whatever accounts you want, and you actually connect to whatever chart you got popped up here. This isn't a strategy based risk management thing. This is actually based on its own. It's an add-on and it just pops up and you can move it around wherever you want. See, you can just swap to whatever chart you want and hot swap accounts on NinjaTrader. And it has all your risk management built into it, order management, auto risk, or risk based on how many contracts or dollar amount, how many targets you want, break evens, blah, blah, blah. And it is 100% free. You just go to firstlightbeacon.com and download the control center, create you a free account, click on Trade Pilot, and it will install it on the NinjaTrader for you. And then you can use all these cool tools here. And I've got this set up where I can drag my stop loss around. I'm risking $500, so it's going to automatically populate how many contracts to do that. And I've got two TPs here, 1.5 RR and 1 at 5 RR. But this one, basically, I'm just going to trail up to try to grab it there. If we get our a trade here, who knows if it's actually going to happen. You sit here for hours and do nothing, you know how Globex goes. And that's what I'm waiting on right now. To see if that happens. It's just I am. Let's tell everybody. A lot of people haven't tried this yet. Live in the control center. Oh wait, I need to go. Looking for a setup here. Don't have it yet. Being patient. It is Globex. You know how that goes. Maybe it might come, it might not, but I'm not going to just YOLO. I am waiting on something specific. Yes, I am. Let's see. Haven't taken any trades yet, but looking to take one here shortly. I'm hoping that we get the break. It's high here. Looking like we might, but they could just bounce this range all night. I'm not going to scalp that. It's just too small. Not worth it to me. I'll just wait for tomorrow. But if we do get this break that I think is about to happen here, we might actually get a move here. Everybody's trying to short into the gap. I don't know, man. I don't know about that. We did gap up at the open, but I don't know if that's the play tonight. Not sure. We will find out, though. Trade copier is set. There is a delay on YouTube, especially for or on any social media. That's why we run our own private stream for the Hunters Club members. It's in our control center. You can watch it through the app or on our web browser, and there is no delay. It's literally, I can hear, like when I'm watching myself, I can literally hear myself talking instantly. If I do it through any of the social medias, it's like 20-30 second delays. Pretty bad, honestly. This is Edge Pulse. This is actually measuring more than one asset. It's comparing assets with other assets. And then this is Surge. I'm sorry, I got that wrong. This is Surge and this is Edge Pulse. I don't know what I'm thinking. Edge Pulse is showing momentum kind of, sort of, but it shows the divergence in momentum. I don't even know how to explain that. Whatever, it just does what it does and it works pretty well. Cascade shows us the direction of multiple assets if they're correlated with what we're trading here, and then it shows us where the pretty much where the extreme pullbacks are gonna be. It's kind of like an RSI but better, I could say. I don't know, it doesn't work like RSI. It's not a momentum indicator, but it does kind of show where pullbacks are going to take place, if there's any divergences that align, stuff like that. Pretty neat how it works. Let's see here. Well, we haven't got our alert yet, and I would love to get it because I want to get into this trade here and then just let it run for the night. Whatever happens, happens, right? But we haven't got it yet, so I'm still just sitting tight waiting. We're pretty close, though. Pretty close to happening. Guy's got gold signals in his Telegram channel. He's legit, guys. Gold Knights guy. Yeah, he's got gold channels. He's got a gold signal. I got a bot that trades gold, man. It's got an 80% win rate over the years. People use it right now. You can come check out their P&L on our Discord. Don't need signals when it's a fucking algo, do you? We are starting to get what I'm looking for here. Not ready to pull the trigger yet, but I'm getting real close. Yes. Oh, good God. Why you do that? Don't do that. Almost there. That's my trigger right there. I'm in the trade. There we go. Trade copiers worked. Everything's filled. See if we run this. Opened up. There we go. All trades are, all accounts are in. Yep. Got my first TP at 1.5. The next one's at 5R, but that'll just be a trail if we start pushing up there. We will see here shortly. Risk right now is 384. What it's set to build. Just fine. I was trying to go for 500, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Where we get filled on these. We got our copiers running too. See what happens here. We'll be holding this. Rain or shine. It is what it is. If it wins, it wins. If it don't, it don't. I trade the edge. That's what I do. Son of a bitch. Okay, I can't get that to log in, so do this. And we had a cross over here and then a cross over there. So that would be good to go. Well, we'll see if this trade wins. Let's see here. Getting a pullback now. Come on, MNQ. Run up for me. Let's go. Let's go, MNQ. Gonna sit here and let this trade run. I'm not gonna micromanage. I'm not gonna close it. Anything. Unless something happens. Change. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go, Mr. MNQ. Well, we're just sitting here watching this play out, see what's going to happen. Not much going on. It's just kind of bouncing around. There's a good chance this thing doesn't go anywhere, but setup was there. Had to try. We're going to see what it does. Bouncing around, doing nothing. Boom, boom, boom. This could be like an all night hold, or they could just dump on me. You never know. Could happen. Looks like it's happening. Come on, there you go. Logging in. Fine. Don't let us down now, Mr. Nazideki. Don't do that. Oh, crap. Okay. I am live. That's the problem. What the hell? Here we go. Mr. Nasdaq is not playing nice. Well, looks like they're just going to chop it and not let it actually go. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe they're not ready for it. Regardless, setup happened, so I'm trading it. That's what I'm going to do. Boo-hoo, Mr. Nasdaq. Stop being a typical Globex and trade the fucking thing. Hmm. Well, mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm long. I'm gonna draw down now. Blurry. It shouldn't be blurry. You can probably change your settings or whatever you may be doing a lower codec or something or lower screen quality. I don't know. Are you on your phone? I can hold on, I can change it for Zoom. You don't need to see both for this for Zoom. Yeah. Share. Oh, I just need that one. Make it bigger for you. There you go. You can make the font bigger too on the numbers. Let me see. Let me go to like even 30. There we go. There you go. That's good. Yeah, get on back up there. Thank you. Right back up. Right to the TP. One big old ass candle. Right to it. That'd be awesome. Damn, is he gonna listen to me? Mm. I mean, if I could be the NQ whisperer, that would be awesome. That's all right. Change my name. NQ whisperer. Here I come. I should not be such a smartass. I might get wrecked right here. It's okay though. I'm only risking 384. It's not that big of a deal. It did meet my conditions to get into the trade, and I got an alert. I wasn't sitting here staring at this. If it loses, then just whatever. Fucking trade tomorrow when it comes in the U.S. sessions. And this is where we're going to find out. Pretty sure if this pushes or doesn't push, then we probably will. It probably will drop back down. That's a buyer stepping in. Hi, puppy. Dog just came in here and said, "At me now." You know how they get? Come up and just start. You don't have a choice. Pet me. Pet me now. Well, this is promising. Maybe. I want to jinx it, knocking on wood. But just gonna let it run. Fuck it. TP2 is like fucking way up there. So we're at 600. Maybe like 400 points. You get to 29. 500. Well, I mean, 500 point move overnight lately is not unheard of. So Yep. Sellers are fighting again. Oh, this is super exciting. Hmm. God, this is like super slow. Freaking super slow. Chop. Oh my goodness. You're finally gonna see some green here or what? What is going on, Mr. Name Q? Come on, Mr. Name Q. I'm thirsty. I'll be right back. Alrighty, look at this. We're almost back to the entry. Ugh. Yeehaw, MNQ. Is it going to go? We want it to. Just launch straight up. Go for us. 10, 9, 8, go. I mean, it's pretty close. I mean, it's pretty close to going. Right? I mean, pretty close. It's pretty close to going. It's pretty close. Pretty close. I would say that that's pretty close. Pretty close. Don't you say that's pretty close? Pretty close. I'm thinking about getting a what is it called when you're like you do the webcam thing, but it's like you're a character? What is that called? VTubing or fucking I don't know what it is. Thinking about like doing that. There's a guy from one of the prop rooms that does that. I just don't want everybody seeing me, man. I just don't like that shit. For that. I don't want to do that. Oh god, they're rejecting our fucking entry. Our entry is literally the resistance. Funny. Oh, here we go again. Back up. Yeah. That could be like, I could be Fleb. I could like get Fleb turned into a 3D thing, whatever. And then I could like talk on there and be Fleb and move around as Fleb. That'd be cool. Yeah, Fleb. I don't want to become a source of entertainment because that's not trading. Like, if you're on here to be entertained, and I don't know what to tell you, man. You're here to buy. You're just here to use someone's prop firm code and just fucking give them money over and over and over again, like all the other fucking good people. I just don't want to be that shit. I don't want to be your entertainer. I want to be the guy that says or that helps you make fucking money, not blow accounts in front of you so you follow me blowing accounts so that you have to reset your accounts using my code so that I get a commission every time you reset. That's what all those big name box YouTube box style fucking traders are doing. I don't want to be that. I don't want to do that. I could have. It would have been so easy to do that. I could have gave away this all of our shit for free and just like watch our streams, use our codes. It's just free. We'll give it to you for free if you use our codes. And just I probably would have been making millions right now doing that, just like the motherfuckers, because I actually would have something to give you, not just you watching a stream, you know? Hell, then I could hire like models and shit to like get on the stream with me and like really start the entertainment. Yeah. Yeah, while you guys are paying your reset fees. I watched a guy tonight go full YOLO on 5 fucking accounts, 30 something contracts or whatever it was, YOLO and resetting it, getting everybody to follow along, and everybody in there, thousands of people blew their accounts, and he's just making fucking tens of thousands of dollars tonight. YOLOing his little 5 accounts. You guys think that you're being helped, and he's literally laughing because he spent $400 on those accounts, but he's making 5 figures on the reset fees from all of you resetting tonight. Watched him do it right at the open. I even called him out in the chat and he smirked and fucking ignored my comment. Responded to other people. It's funny because he didn't ban me from his YouTube stream. He just sat there and fucking smirked and let me keep talking shit. Because I was like, wow, you just made a bunch of money on reset fees, didn't you? Like, why the fuck are you trading right now? Why would you be in a long position right now, dude? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Right at the open. It was whiplashing everywhere. There was no reason to be in the longs. Not a fucking chance. And then he was flipping the shorts and then popping accounts with that. Max contracts. Trade copying 5 at a time. Hey, everybody, make sure you put all your trade copiers on. Oh, I'm going to go short now. Wait, I'm going to go long, see if it happens. See, yeah, I knew if I would go short, it would flip around and go long. Yeah, boom, accounts are gone. I guess I got to reset them. That's it. Go watch the stream, dude. I ain't fucking lying, man. That's what he did. Thousands of people watching him. Learning what not to do. Learning how to give money away. Mm-hmm. That's what happened. That's what happened. My risks on this is 1%. I do the right way. I'm 1%. Automated through Trade Pilot over here. I just put in I want to risk 1%, put my stop where it wants to be, and it figures out the position size. It's 1%. Yeah. Compound the shit out of accounts. If I lose this trade, I lose 1%. But guess what? I gained like fucking 12 or 14% last week. So I'm not really losing shit, am I? No. Whatever, man. Boom, boom. This might be an all-nighter, dude. I'm not sitting here all night. I'll let it run, but I'm not gonna fucking stare at it. Right now, if it hits TP1, it automatically goes to break even, set on order management right here. See? After target 1, break even. I could make it go start trailing. I could make it start trailing like an ATR or even a super trend or something. Who knows? Once it breaks even and goes, set it to go into trail mode. You can just go like this. Watch, break trail right here after target 1, trail. It'll just start trailing your stop loss on the other positions. It's right now it's set to 5R, which is ridiculous. It's not going to get up there, but I could, hit this one and then trail it and get as much as I can out of it. Just to me. There we go. Look at, we're in the green. Holy shit. Yeah. Keep on with that greenness. I like the greens. He does know what he's doing. But, yeah, people are going to do it. They're going to do it. Like the people, it's not him. It's everybody else. Like everybody else, they're that naive to fall for that shit. They really are. I don't know, man. It's like, I wonder if they know that I wonder if they know and they just, what is that called when you're like kidnapped, but you like you start to like defend the kidnapper or whatever. There's a kind of syndrome. What is it called? It's like some psychological effect where you start to like care about that person and you're going to like defend them, What is that called? Let me look this up. Syndrome. You start to care about your kidnapper. What is it? Stockholm syndrome. That's it. Yeah. I wonder if that's a thing in this space here, like where people are like have Stockholm syndrome with their favorite entertainer on YouTube and just let them constantly get them to blow accounts and reset and give them unlimited amounts of commissions and shit, I wonder if that's what's going on. I wonder if that's a thing. I wonder if that could happen. Fuck, we were green for a minute. Son of a bitch. These Globex guys, man, they really like to just spin it up and down, up and down. I would like to see some kind of momentum out of this range here so I could feel a little more confident in the trade. I'm pretty confident in it right now looking at what I'm looking at, but I'd like to get like real confident. I need some momentum out of this range. You know? Beth, that would be fucking fantastic. Surge did break back up over the midline here while all the other assets are up there. So that's a fucking good sign. And then, you know, another pullback. Another stinking pullback. Just go to the top. Get up there. Just go up. Thank you. Just do what I say and you'll be all right. Do what I say. That's funny that the Blue Sky said that your shit's been off since May, but you still trade. You've been still able to trade the account. That's crazy. And how did that even happen? You know, that's wild. I think ETF has half off. Or Earn to Trade has half off accounts right now with no max days on trading, and I think, don't quote me on it, but I think Elite Trader Funding may have, I don't really like them because they charge you those fucking fees when you pass it, but I do like their static account. Like I give them, no, they're not on sale anymore. When them static accounts go to 90% off the 50Ks, I grab them because they're $500 accounts, but you're getting them for like $49 or whatever the fuck they are. And those are the ones you want to use on those automated ones. Does it? Well, I mean, Blue Sky has a smaller static, don't they? Let me see here. All these things pop up. Holy fuck. 200K static. Let's see what it drawdown 2000 buffer. It's only $3,000. So it's like a 50K account, exactly like a 50K account. The 200K static. They have 150K static on Propel. Buffer's only 2,000, drawdown's 1,000. So that's like not very good. 200K. What do you got to do to, oh, you only got to get 3,000 twice. Oh no, you got to get 6,000, 3,000, then you got to do it 3 times. What the fuck? They changed their shit. That's why I stopped really pushing them. I don't really, what? Prop futures, prop firms have static drawdown. Let's find out. Static drawdown prop firm. The DS. I don't know, man. Just go with fucking Lucid. Just go with Lucid and just do the same shit you've been doing. But don't overscale it. Like, go for the high win rate. So like do the daily FLB at 0.5 RR instead of 1. You know what I mean? I can't tell you what to do, obviously, but if I was doing it, that's what I would do. Because the higher win rate is what you need to pass prop firms. Once you get into you've got a buffer and you've got, you know, some room and your drawdown static, it's not moving anymore, the account's funded, then I would go into like a 1-to-1 starting out. I'd build up some more buffers, swap, maybe increase the 1% risk to go to 1.5 R, and then, you know what I mean? Then you start really compounding it. But for the win rate, I would just go for the 0.5 on whatever asset is, whatever asset has the highest win rate at 0.5 in the last 90 days. Because yeah, it works all year, but some assets will start to outperform others, and it's about 90 days is where you're going to figure that out. So I would back test, just look at the back test on like NinjaTrader on the version, go 90 days and put in like YM or gold or fucking MNQ or ES and see which one has highest win rate, right? And then calculate your risk based on what the maximum drawdown will end up being. And if the maximum drawdown is more then or if the maximum drawdown would pop the account, then you don't put that much risk in, you lower the risk. So that's how you like optimize the strategy to pass as fast as possible. Because that's how you do it. Not just click, oh, I only do 1 or 2 contracts. No, go look at the numbers, see what the drawdown, the max cumulative drawdown would be, and then say that, oh man, it's like do a 30%, variance on shit because you have slippage and all kinds of other reasons. So if the drawdown is $1,500, then add 30% to that, right? And then say, okay, well, that's going to be 300 plus, so that's 2,000 in drawdown. So that would pop the account. So I want to reduce risk, right? Because you need the cumulative max drawdown to be less than your max drawdown. Honestly, if there's a daily loss limit, that's what it needs to be right there, so that you don't lose the account. That's how you do it. That's how I do it, anyways. And then, once you can afford to, once you get payouts and it can afford it, you deposit money in personal cash accounts, and then you use the same thing to do the same thing until you've got a nice little chunk of change, and then you just set it to a little higher risk and a little higher RR, and then just let it run, and then don't withdraw until you get like a certain amount, and then just start paying a bill with it. Maybe pay your fucking rent or house payment or something with it. Just let it keep doing its thing. Don't withdraw all the money so you have some cushions for losses, and then that's the way to do it, man. But yeah, see, what happens is people get these prop firms, they get a payout, and then they spend all the fucking money, right? Or they go buy like a bunch of accounts with it, and then they trade copy every single one of them in one trade, and then they lose the accounts. It's like, whoa, what's that for, dude? I've seen people do that. Like, why would you do that, man? You got to be a little smarter with it. Take that money, yeah, and get some more accounts, but put them all on one fucking trade copy so that if you fuck up, it's all gone. Like, do a little diversity, But I mean, think if you put $500 in a Ninja Trader brokerage account and you trade one MNQ once an hour, get 10, $20 out of it. I mean, you just made 10, $20 an hour. Right? And then, I mean, how much do you make an hour at your job? Like I would use Cascade, set it to an hour, and then just trade the breaks until it makes 10 or $15, $20. And or set trade pilot to, because you can go on trade pilot and go target $1 amount, $20, and when it hits $20, it closes it. Right? And just trade the breaks on Cascade once an hour. Well, when the hour, so you get your initial balance 33% of the time frame. So 33% of an hour is what? Fucking, I don't know, 15 minutes is going to be a quarter, right? Yeah, a quarter. So like 20 minutes. So every 20 minutes after the hour, you go look at your chart, and if there's a break out of the initial balance, you just enter the position and just close it at $20. And then there's you. Try to do that once an hour, and then you get $20 an hour, and then all of a sudden you're adding money to your cash account, and then before you know it, you've put in another fucking grand in that bitch, and then you're like, oh shit, now I can go $40 an hour, right? And then just slowly build it up. Everybody wants to do it all at once, and that's what happens though to everybody, is they try to do it all at once, and then they get stuck in that fucking cycle of trying to do it all at once and never get anywhere. That's what happens. I've watched it. I did it. But I watch it all the time with people. They try to YOLO their shit. They'll get an account funded, man. And then they'll YOLO fuck out of it and blow it. It's like, whoa, But you know what? You know what I've done? I've been $40 away from a max payout and then blown the fucking account trying to get the $40. I've done that. Everybody's done it. That's anybody that's gotten payouts is doing that stupid shit. Instead of just waiting for the next day just to take your normal setup just to get the extra dollars, you're like, fuck, I just need $40 more. And then you just chase and chase, and all of a sudden, boom, the account's fucking like $1,000 fucking down that day. And you're like, what the fuck did I just do? I've done that. People are asking me right now, how did you know this sweep and this high was the one that was going to get broke right here? And this, blah, blah, man, it's our indicators, dude. Y'all don't, y'all are told, you guys are, you know what? You guys listen to all these guys on YouTube that have all these fancy ass videos with these fucking $100,000 a year editors telling you price action's king. You don't need indicators. You don't need this. You don't need that. Motherfucker. Price action is what destroys people. Let's see if this is going to work out. This trade. Is this trade going to go, guys? Is it going to go? Guys, is this trade going to go? Is it going to go, guys? Now he's posting key levels, making money, bro. You blew 5, 10 accounts, got thousands of people to reset their accounts. And then you fucking, now you're posting that you're making money. Get fucking wrecked. You know? It's like you're whatever. And then he goes, well, they're only evals. But now he's posting, oh, key levels making money. You mean you're trading evals and you're just got all your people to. I don't know, man. Surrounded. Oh yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Fuck them all. I'm gonna do my thing. I'm just gonna, my goal now is to get 10 or 20 of you guys just like fucking ripping it. And then I'm gonna make all of my shit public, and then I'm just gonna go like get investors and manage some big ass fucking fund somewhere. And not even fucking deal with the fucking public. like fuck you guys. Delete all my fucking social media and just disappear, managing a couple $100 million. That's what my plan is. With my tools, fucking TradingView. So somebody out there is complaining to TradingView about our shit, and I had like, fuck, I don't know, man. Let me count them. Hold on, let me look at this. I got a message from TradingView. They pulled a bunch of my scripts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's see, 14 scripts they pulled and said that there's some issues with them or whatever. And it's like, what? Yeah, so somebody's attacking me. I'm like, you got out of your fucking mind. Well, originality and blah, blah. I'm like, originality? Fucking patent applications out, dude. What do you mean originality? I'm like, you got fucking max options tradings putting indicators on your TradingView that are reusing the same recycled garbage that's been used for fucking 100 years. You've got like all kinds of chart prime with J Bravo's fucking Bravo 9. Are you fucking serious? So sold. And I'm like, it's a good thing we're adding fucking platforms right now, because MetaTrader 5 is fucking coming soon. FLB's already working on it, starting to add in, starting to dump in and port over everything in the administrator. Then we're gonna do quant crawler, and then we're gonna try and do some other ones. So I mean, I redid them and put them back up, and they haven't taken them down. So apparently, and they messaged me again, but there's just I'm starting to get grief from TradingView. Like, what the fuck? I'm like, bro. And then they even pulled down free ones. I'm like, they pulled institutional ladder and said this needs to be blown. I'm like, what are you talking about? It's free. What the fuck? Institutional ladder has been free. Well, you had First Light Beacon mentioned in it. Okay, well, maybe that's why. Who knows? Maybe I'm overthinking this. These guys are pulling this shit back already. What the fuck? Just go up. Stop playing this game. It's like when she... Nah, I'm not going to say that. I'm going to say the whole hard to get thing. No one's just giving it anyways. I'm not going to do that. But in Q, I know you giving it up right now. So you just might as well just do it. Anyway, I'm bitching. I don't even need to be bitching. But it's just, you know, the environment I've chosen to be in. Fucking stupid. Oh, have you checked out this yet, Beth? That right there? Not gonna say it on the stream. I'll just type it in the private stream shit. Boom. I love it. I want some more of it. Keep it pushing. Push, 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 push. The linking work. Hold on. Maybe it's because I didn't do this. Now it's linkable. There you go. There's a free academy in there and everything. But it's basically publications on why people fail prop firm accounts, gather data from bunches of prop firms and some universities. And there was this one thing that was done with like 25 years of data from traders and shit that was thrown in the report. And so it's basically just telling people the statistics on everything, and if you know why people fail, then you know what to avoid, right? So and it goes over like risk percentages and the risk of ruin based on the percentage you put into your trades. Like you're statistically, you know, the amounts, the statistic failure rate based on how much you risk per trade type shit's in there and everything else. There's a whole report, free. There's a whole academy. It's free. It's all free. That thing's always going to be free. And it's basically just going to be to help. It's being built to help fuckers beat the prop firms. What do you mean link doesn't work? I literally just clicked on it and went to it right now. Fuck. Oh, well, let's try it later. Type it in manually, see if it works. Should work though. It's working. Ooh, trade is running. Which? Okay, yeah, okay. On the right one. Talking shit to those guys. I just can't stop. I really should on X talking shit, but I just can't stop. I just gotta do it. Can't do it. I just gotta do it. I can't stop. Okay. I just it's just too easy. Everybody on there is just farming content. Everybody on there is just bullshitting. Everybody on there is just like la 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 la. Bleh. You know, it's like it just drives me crazy. I don't know. Maybe I'm just fucking. Maybe I'm just like I don't know. Maybe I'm just like fucking. I don't know. I'm just a Scrooge or something, or maybe I just know that they're all fucking over everybody and it pisses me off. Maybe I care about the little guy. I don't know. Maybe I should stop caring about the little guy. I don't know. Maybe. What should I do? What should I do, man? What you thinking? What you thinking, yo? What you thinking, man? What you thinking? Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. And then like then you get like we're hiring streamers like this guy, this Mac guy right now. We're hiring streamers, 6 figures for you to stream. Like what? Like what? What do you mean? You gotta hire people, pay them 6 figures to stream trades? Is that a thing? But but he wants them to be from like Portugal or Spain or some shit. I mean, fuck it, I'll move to Spain. Whatever. I can talk. I can get on the stream and be like, yeah, what's up, people? I'm from Spain. Guess what I'm gonna you watch me trade from Spain. What does it matter? What is it? The time zone you want? Like, why does it matter if they're in Spain or not? It's fucking it's the internet. I mean, you want someone to trade and oh, you want their language is probably what it is. But we got AI. I can talk right now and have it Put in any language you want. I could be speaking in fucking Mandarin right now while I'm speaking English. Like, you know, I don't understand why it matters where they're from. Maybe just I know what it is. They want to sell prop firm codes. Okay. And if they're from that country, the people from there are going to have more trust in that streamer. Right? Because Patrick Whalen is hired, he has hired streamers for him now. He has people, he is paying people to stream for him out of his streaming location thing, but they're promoting the Patrick Whalen brand and the Patrick Whalen promo codes. We got you covered, guys. PW if you popped your account. Like, that shit's literally said on the streams. Like, people are so fucking stupid and naive and dumb. You know, like, help me, please, God. Good God. Oh my goodness. You know? That just does not make no sense. Ugh. It makes no sense, man. It makes no fucking sense why people fall for this shit. But it's big money, dude. I mean, these prop firms are making fucking hundreds of millions of dollars a month. So I should probably shut up. They'll just try to come after me with all their money. So I don't have that much money. I can't do that. Can't do that. Nope. Nope. What I can do is go lease my software and my systems to shit like SMC or somebody. Like, that's what I could do. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should contact them and be like, yo, I got some stuff, man. You want to use this for your peoples? Your peoples, they make so much of monies. They make so much money. Oh my God. This guy is like blowing up. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. This is real. The 8th is coming up so soon. It's gonna be so fun to give away those accounts in the control center. It's gonna be so much fun. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to ChatGPT or whatever, and have it connect to our database and be like, find people that are connected right now and pick this many, and pick all these people. So whoever's connected, that's the pool it's gonna pick from, and be like, pick people. Just randomly pick people. Yes, it's gonna be exciting. In the control center. I think I'm gonna live stream the control center to the social medias. But you have to be in the control center stream to be able to get the free accounts. You know? Yeah. That's what I think. I think that's what I should do. I don't know. Should I do it? Should I do that? the kid just went out on the front porch and pulled out the golf cart. What is he doing? Whatever. Fucking spring break. Have fun, kid. Better than him being in the house. So what's gonna happen here? Is this gonna break out to our DPs, or is this gonna just piss me off and bounce around right here? Piss me off. You gotta like knock on some wood or something. You gotta, don't you know the power of, um, what is it called? Shit. Like speaking it into existence. It starts with the M, I think. What is it called? Fuck. What is it called though? Um, Damn it. What is it called? Starts with the M, doesn't it? Manifestation. That's what it is. I remembered the word. Gotta manifest shit. Dude, I need more followers on Facebook so I can go fucking live on there. What the hell? I've never even tried to promote that thing. I just tried to log onto it. And mm, it didn't work. It said you don't have enough followers. Shit. I need more followers, people. I'm gonna post a breakout on our Facebook on all the streams. Please just follow the page so I can like start to get some fucking, so I can live stream on it. That would be awesome. Just do that for me, please. Just do it. All right. Yeah, there it is right there. Yep. Yes, yes, yes. Oh God, it's starting to pull back again. Stop it. Oh my God. What are you doing, Nazideke? My stream, okay, yeah, there we go. Stream quality got a lot better. Stop it. Stop it with your pullbacks, bitch. It will go up. Yes, it will. I think this is going to be an all-night hold. I don't think this is going to be something that's going to finish with me sitting here talking, honestly. I hope it does that. I hope it doesn't just decide to go, oh, fuck you. But we haven't even gone to the next. We broke over the ladder. We're testing the ladder now, and then we should push to the next. That's what should happen. That's what should happen. I could play pointless games on the left screen. That would be fun. Right? Play some pointless games from pointless games LOL. Not LOL. Have you tried pointless games LOL on your phone yet? Does it work pretty good? I haven't tried it. Oh, here goes some pullback. 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 We already had a wick right here. You know? So. Mute that. Mute that. Then. Tony Bravo is This guy started going long when I did. I think he's watching my stream. His entry is almost the same as where my first entry was. Took profit too soon, though, rookie.
You can't call me.
All right, here we go. Let's get up there. Boom, 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 boom.
Friends.
No, we don't want to play Pokemon with you, man. What's wrong with you? God, this guy's so turning off his stream. I don't want to watch anymore. Can't deal with him. I can't do with that. That is just too much. Boom. Let's push to the moon. Let's go to the next level. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Mm. Man, this thing's just going to slow boat up there, isn't it? Come on, Mr. Nazidaki. Come on, push. Push, 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 push. This guy says on his stream, New York night session. What the fuck is that? What is New York night session? Kills me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, man. Just go. Go to the move. Go, 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 go. What are you looking at here? What are you even looking at? Mr. Nazi Dacky? Yeah, man. We need like a good momentum push. Oh, we had it, but clearly they want to retrace again. They just want to retrace, retrace, retrace. He's restarting it. Come on. Push, push, push. Yeah, this is going to be just a slow grind. Great. We've been spoiled overnight. That's what it is. It's been overnight's been like, look at what I got. And then everybody's still expecting it. They could, but who knows? No, I don't know.
It's gone. That's a problem.
Alrighty, come on. Push, 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 push. Fuck. This is so slow, man. So slow. The orders are there. Just it wants to go. You know? It wants to go. Look, NASDAQ. If you start pushing right now, I will give you feet pics. You got to push right now, though. No feet pics. Look at NASDAQ is wanting them. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. I'm telling you, there's some pretty good feet pics. Beth? Hello? Hello? I told NASDAQ if it pushes, I'm going to give it feet pics. I will give feet pics. But it's not pushing. Push faster. Hmm. Oh, Mr. NASDAQ. You know you want it. They wouldn't. That's the thing. Oh, NASA. Yeah, that's funny. Okay. Come on, NASDAQ. Push to the moon. How long do I sit here and watch this crap? You know? Trade set. I'm not going to touch it. So, fuck it. The Hoover Dam is in trouble. Man, Lake Mead is getting wrecked. Slow as shit. Talking about having to shut shit down. Shut dams down. Shut the Power down, power generation shit down. Crazy. So it's at, hold on, what do you say? They're at 1041 and at 1038 they have cavitation problems on the intakes for the generators. They got 3 feet before they gotta shut down generation at the Hoover Dam. What about all the electricity? They're getting wrecked. I mean, tens of millions of people have died before because of droughts and weather changes in modern history. So, ooh. I mean, when you got 100+ million people that need water, like, I don't know, you can't fucking there's not enough infrastructure to ship that much to them if it's an instant, like 3 days you're toast. Is it like how long can you last without water? I think it's 3 days. Three to 5 days, most adults. If it's hot, 1 to 3 days. If you're in desert conditions, if it's over 95, 1 to 3 days. Probably less than 1 if you're sitting in the middle of the sun, like if you're exposed to it with those temperatures. I just don't understand why we haven't invested in desalination out west. Like, that's how all the fucking water in the Middle Eastern is they get it from is desalination plants, and they have weather generation shit where they literally create clouds to cause rain. That shit's been going on for 50 years. There's literally stock you can invest in that shit. But I don't understand why they haven't done that in California, especially with their taxes the way they are. Yeah. Damn. Hmm. Is this gonna push? Pushy, pushy. We should probably make this like big old full screen. There we go. Hmm. Crazy. Wonder what all the people are gonna do. Wow. What in the world? Hilarious. I wish that this thing would go. This is moving so fucking slow. Uh, this market is like, my God, just go. This is bouncing around. Man, this pullback again, they just don't stop with the pullbacks. This is the most boring shit. Watching it just do this. So boring. Think about just let it run, walk away, and go do something else. It's almost fucking 11:30 and it still hasn't retested this break. Oh my god, what are you doing, Nazi? Just go. I said I'd give you feet pics. Apparently it doesn't want it. It doesn't want to do it. There we go. Maybe it'll do something now. Looks like we're getting a little push again. fucking mosquitoes in the house somehow. It's like eating me up. Trying to kill it, but ugh. Let's see here. No. Good God, this is the most boring fucking night ever. And I'm getting just a mosquito got in somehow and it's eating me to pieces. I'm trying to kill it, but I just can't get to it. Just can't get to it. UO. Finally, we're getting some impulse. Holy shit. Some impulse. Finally, some impulse. Good God, this mosquito has got me good, man. I'm gonna find this motherfucker. What I do, I'm gonna kill the shit out of it. I think my trade pilot's a little off on the dot. I need to go in there and check that. See why it's doing that. Boom, 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 boom. Come on and push, man. Okay. We're moving along. Come on, little birdie, 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 birdie. Let's go. I almost hit the fucking close button. Oh my God. I got to pay attention to what I'm doing. Yes. Yeah, the dollar amounts are wrong. I need to go in and adjust that. It's not working correctly. I'm screwed. I must have done something wrong in the latest update to this. That sucks. But it happens, man. It happens. And you just, what are you going to do about it? But this trade is finally taken off. People ask me, they're like, how did you know it was going to be this high that gets broken? Oh, I mean, it's just our indicators, man. They tell me. The indicators tell me. They tell me what to do. And then the rest of it is just risk management. And some other little tricks and stuff, but yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Pushy, 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 pushy. Yeah. Let's go to the TP. Let's go to the. God, they're gonna do this shit. Come on now. You gotta. kind of get to the TP here would be just amazing. It's just not. These pullbacks, retracements, stupid things just go straight there, man. It always goes straight to your stop loss, but it'll never go straight to the TP though, right? Right? Yeah. That's just what happens. Pullbacks are annoying. So my daily goal is usually about 300 an account. If I just close it right now, that means I only got to get like $200 during a US session, which makes it even easier, right? I mean, kind of makes sense. What do you guys think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Boom, 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 boom. Hmm. That's really annoying what it's doing right now. Again, just nonstop. It's nonstop pullbacks. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. I'm still confident this is going, but what if it doesn't when I go to bed? You know? What do we got going on over here? We got some correlation assets dropping, which is kind of annoying. I'm just going to lock in that low there in case it does, just to drop down a little more. I'd at least like to get $100 out of it. So there's 101. That means tomorrow at US session, I only have to get 200, which is fine. So I've locked in $101. I was up to almost 300 on this high here, but it's playing around. But honestly, I kind of want to go to bed. Getting tired. I don't want to be on this thing all night. Let's see if it decides to run up. Cool. If it don't, then whatever. Find out here in a few minutes, I think. Those Colbex likes to play serious fucking games. They could pull it all the way back into this range here, bouncing around. Oh, there it goes. That's fine. Whatever. I am done. I will take that and just trade tomorrow.